welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you the faux bleach method, which I am living for. Will need a heat source for this, but it's just a cool alternative and it gets you this really awesome white. We, over the holiday season, are going to be playing with the faux bleach method and doing some really cool things for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So don't forget to check out all those videos. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click subscribe right now, because what are you doing here without subscribing? This is a Bella Canvas crew. We are doing everything this holiday season with Bella Canvas. I think they are the best blanks to use in the industry. Let's get going on the faux bleach method. You're gonna love it. Alright, so I grabbed this screen printing ink off of Amazon. It's by Speedball. It is the first time I've ever used this stuff, and I did follow someone else's tutorial and I ended up ditching the whole plan. I originally was going to water this down and use beads to roll it all over the shirt because I wanted that acid washed look. So here I am just showing you my failure, I guess. And just wanted to share that with you and let you know I might be a professional, but sometimes being a professional means trying things that just don't work. I'm sure if I had like more rocks or more beads, the video I watched, he was very successful. But for me, I just grabbed a paintbrush and started splattering it. And you might just think, Tay, are you just splatter painting? And yeah, pretty much I am. So no, I'm doing this like brushy thing. So I did a little splatter and then I rubbed it to like give it kind of like a whitewashed look, and then I splattered on top of it. So I mean, it's not necessarily splatter painting, it's just kind of splatter painting. You want to make sure that you get all the areas of the shirt, and I'll show you the other technique I did in a second, because yes, I did just splatter paint this, but then I did these drippy things, and that's the cool part about doing things like this, is you can just be creative. So I got a spray bottle for my next hoodie, and I actually like this one a lot better. I like both of them actually, but I think I like this one better. It's just cooler, it has more texture. So I kind of did like a tie-dye method where I scrunched it into like a ball on one end and then put a rubber band and then I sprayed it. And again, you might be like, Tay, this is just bleaching your shirt. But it's not bleaching because we're using Speedball screen printing ink. And it takes a little less, but a little more in different ways. Clean up your table. Then I opened it, and I loved that I could just like open this up and look at it right away. That's definitely something that's different than bleach, because when you're bleaching, you got to go wash it and then see how it turned out. This, you can kind of like play with it and see what happens. Then I just ditched the rubber bands altogether, and I kind of just twisted into like cinnamon rolls in different areas. And the spray bottle from Target can be like a line, or then it can also be like a spray. So then I went in with some lines and kind of gave it some more textures, and I really like it a lot. But you do need to wash this, and then after you've washed it, then you need to heat press it. So I'm just using my heat press, and I had to get creative to get to all the spots, but there's a heat setting for your screen printing ink. And then I used some holographic heat transfer vinyl to make this adorable haunt mess sign. Is it a sign on your chest? This on the shirt, and I made a Spooky Babe one, and you'll see us in Disneyland wearing them on my Instagram story, so check it out.